Python educators and their young students in the K-12 space are facing a frustrating reality because the cloud platforms that they have been used to working with are changing. We find that most existing cloud tools have become quite expensive and most of them have gone behind a paywall. This limits collaboration opportunities for students. Many of these tools wouldn't run graphic libraries like Turtle and Tkinter, which breaks the vital connection that we need at an early stage between geometry and logic. And worst of all, these tools are built for the corporate world, forcing AI help at every step. Now, this is understandable from a corporate efficiency point of view, but when we look at education, especially with young children, we run a risk of creating paper tigers who have no logic muscle whatsoever. To fix precisely these problems and to reclaim the educational space that I believe our students truly deserve, it's my immense pleasure to share with you the WiByte Python Lab, a completely open, free, and customizable development environment that we are creating specifically for this segment of K-12 education. Now, this is built on GitHub and Codespaces, requiring absolutely no local installation. So we come in here, we can customize the looks of this by moving tabs around the way we want. And we have this beautiful intuitive UI. I click the run button and you notice my code runs and tells me, well, hello world. To get started, all we need to do is to get to our template repository, which is a public repository. Use this template to create a new repository for your own. And once you have done that, for example, here, you can just click on the button called code to launch the code spaces and you're good to go. Now, this particular code space is being configured in a very specific manner so that it's kind of learning friendly for the K-12 space. We are doing this using the dev container. You notice that when we start this, in fact, it comes preloaded with certain libraries, which are really useful, I believe, at that stage. Let me demonstrate. So I have this demo file. Let's say I go to the terminal and say Python, say demo file.py. Now notice this is all running in the terminal without any setup on the local machine. So when I do this, it tells me hello world, then it prints this in color using Colorama. Again, comes pre-installed with the, using the dev container, we pre-install this. Then PyFiglet, same story. And then we have something on Turtle. So I'll show you here. I'm importing Turtle, and I'm doing, let's say, some printing here. Turtle is available also on the browser using this port, which has been configured once again using the dev container. I go to this link, if I go to this link, you will find that my Turtle is right here telling me hello world, all in the browser. The creative juices that these libraries trigger in a 10 or 12-year-old, besides making him fall in love with programming, just cannot be overstated. Now over to my most favorite feature. Notice in the chat, I asked, give me the code for binary search. I was told, look, I cannot provide you runnable code as per repository policy, but here is a pseudocode. Now, I think this is the right way to use AI. Once again, we have customized this from the settings here, but I must add that this remains work in progress. In fact, that is true for the entire effort. All of this is work in progress. A lot of things still to be done. However, I hope this gave you a good idea of the direction that we are going in. Hi, I'm Vineet Srivastava, the founder of WiByte. I have been teaching K-12 students from around the world the joy of programming for the last many years. At WiByte, we truly believe that programming is a deeply creative enterprise and it gives our young students a great window into the world of technology. WiByte Python Lab is our attempt to reclaim the education space for our students. This is still work in progress. This is our beta version. A lot of work still needs to be done, a lot of questions to be answered, but I really think it will help us to get some initial feedback. And hence, I sincerely request you to kindly give it a try and share your thoughts with us. I feel that as educators and parents, we have a huge responsibility on our shoulders to shape the thought process of the next generation. And it's just not fair to let corporate efficiency come in the way of them developing a solid logic muscle, critical thinking, appreciation of hard work, and a collaborative mindset. In other words, as we would put it at WiByte, let's let our children forever enjoy coding. Thank you so much. Bye bye.